Well, howdy there, my clever friends. Thanks for joining in. Let me get some music going. All right. So, over the past, I guess, month or more, I've been working on this project called CrowdNode.js, and there's still going to be some more work here, but I'm going to present on it a little later today and give a demo. And so I've been trying to get some of these long-standing features functional, and I've got a lot of stuff in here now, but I'm not gonna do a demo exactly right now. I'm gonna do a recap of what I finished last stream, and maybe at the end of this, it will be near the time of the demo, so I'll kind of run through what I'm thinking so that I'm prepped for the presentation. So in the last stream, we were able to get the passphrase not getting passed to the different components fixed. So what was happening is if you clicked this and this popped up, this sign-up process oh, that's weird. I'll need to fix that. But this sign-up process requires access to the secret. Well, sorry. Let's see. It requires access to the private key version, not just the public address, because it sends a small amount of your funds to actually sign up for CrowdNode. And thus it pops this dialog up first. And if you cancel it, one of the things we got done was canceling it meant you didn't have it. It meant it wouldn't load the next dialog. But if you, actually, I haven't tested this. I should test it. So you can try to submit apparently, and it didn't do anything because it was empty. So that was good. And you know what? I'm not actually sure what will happen if you enter the wrong passphrase. So I could try entering the wrong passphrase. Interesting. So that was wrong. We need another check in here. Let me add that to the list. I'm also getting distracted because the recap still needed to recap the other stuff, so I got into testing. Let me make a note of this real quick. Wrong passphrase lets you past the input modal. Should not let you past the encrypt modal. Okay. So we got that encrypt passphrase being passed around correctly, but see that? So it did try to do the get encrypted item. When that happens, it should actually, yeah, we need to check for that essentially. If none of the keys decrypted, it should have kept the encryption passphrase up there. Okay, so we got that in there. It's mostly functional, but not apparently fully functional. There's one more thing that I need to check. And then we converted all of the web components to alternative versions because all of these were not working great. I guess the one thing that I left is this component because it's really not dependent on any asynchronous callbacks. It's not waiting for data. It's just a pretty simple HTML type of element, like something similar to that type of thing where Yeah. Or actually, no, it's similar to this one. So that was the other thing, is we got those converted over and they are working significantly better now, which is really great in my opinion. Let's see. So let's go over some goals, shall we? I do want to fix that wrong passphrase thing, but that I think is actually going to go to the bottom of my list. Let's see. The main things I want to get done is more mobile fixes. Oh, and I guess the other recap that wasn't on my list to mention was I had been working on getting a more mobile-friendly version of the table. And so now this is using, instead of an actual HTML table element, it is using a CSS grid that has some responsive breakpoints that allow it to adjust a little bit. So that's a lot better than what it was. So we want to finish along those lines. So, ooh, that's weird. It's like glitching out, resizing. The staking stuff is going to be split off onto its own page in staking. So that's one of the things I need to duplicate, then modify the table for both wallet and staking so that they're separate. And that will require moving some stuff around there. Let's see. And then a lot of the other stuff I want to get to that is probably highest priority is these modals. This one's actually pretty good. I don't hate that. These other ones, this encryption one's okay, but it should probably have a title. And then I don't know if it looks as good in, it's okay. Yeah. With some extra text here, this one's decent. It's not amazing, but it's decent. That one, this is one we need to improve on. Let's see. So let's go ahead and decrypt real quick, assuming I do remember the passphrase. I think that worked. Yeah, it worked. Okay, cool. So then with that, as you might be able to see, it's not very obvious what you're supposed to do on this modal. And if you go back to the non-mobile version, it's not much better. So we need to improve these modals. So that's high priority. I also want to get to updating this header and integrating it better with the actual menu up here. So it would kind of attach maybe about the same height and attach underneath it. So you'd get it kind of feeling like it's attached up there rather than it's kind of with the content. And I want it to be a little separate. And this is going to be a little bit bigger as well because we're now requesting a bunch of different balances and whatnot. And so it's not just requesting a balance for one address, which is what these were set up for. It's now requesting a bunch. So we need a way to actually update it with the totals and then indicate that it's the total balance of all of your wallets rather than just one. And then one of the other things I forgot to add to my list, so I'll add it now, is, let's see. So I want to add an onboarding flow, which I actually just overrode it for now. So if you click home, it, I guess, starts to load stuff, but then it kicks you back over to the wallet since the page isn't done yet. I did see like a flash of the content that shouldn't really be used anymore, so I'm actually going to comment that out. I believe it's in here right now. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Line 120 in main. Let's go 120. I'm guessing this one is world proof key. Let's comment both these out. Okay, now it's not erroring. And if we click there, okay, that's not terrible. So it's actually changing this URL. So if I click it again, you can see it changed the URL, and then it actually, I can show that code real quick. Right now it just goes, if you're any of these pages and you're on the current page, go ahead and replace the location with /wallet. So that's what it's doing. And it's just a temporary measure as the other pages aren't done. But the onboarding, at least initially, would be to generate or add a private key, essentially. There might be some other stuff we want to include eventually, but right now, you know, I'm not actually sure what would happen if you don't have any keys. That would be a good thing to test right now. Might shift, see. And, okay. Why did that error? Oh, that's interesting. On line 150 of encrypt. Is that here? No, that's 150. Oh, that's funny. Just forgot to comment that out. Well, maybe it, yeah, in reality, it should be something like this. Wait, let's see. So event. So we don't want the passphrase, we want a query selector button disabled false. Well, actually, this is going to be I want So if I put a name on it, I wouldn't have to do the query selector, but I'm just going to do it this way. I think I'm okay with it for now. We want the submit button. This would be, well, let's copy this one because I'm going to do that one down here, where this was. Okay, so that will disable submitting it multiple times. Oh, actually, I'm going to leave this off for now because that would also require a change event listener. Okay, so these are decrypted now. Let's see. So, pretty sure I have these copied, but I'm making sure before I wipe them out. Oh, I do have that one, at least. Okay. So, let's see these other ones. Got that. All right. And let's see here. All right, let's clear and see what happens when we load without any of this. So we're going to clear local storage and refresh. Certainly not the worst thing ever. So, ooh, I might be able to fix this one right now. Let me try to do that. So instead of an onboarding flow, I'm wondering if I can just launch this. And so that's what I'm going to try to do right now is, let's see. I think this will happen in main. And in main, So let's refresh again. These are both empty. Address and private keys. So what we could do is maybe up here go if dot length is equal to 0. And what do we want to do? We want to add wallet. We might be able to just do this since it's already in here. Oh, and it was close. Derp. I should have just read what was nearby. Let's see. Hey, sweet. Actually, I'm going to switch this. I wonder... No. I was thinking maybe I could await that, but let's just see if this is improved already. So, yeah, I'm not liking that. Oh, that's what I should do. There we go. That should fix it. Yeah. I didn't like that flash, and that solves it. So now, it launches that and tries to get you to enter stuff. And if you're in mobile, it looks even better, actually. So... Okay, cool. That's better than nothing. Okay, let's see. Right, so I'm just adding a note that I've made a temporary onboarding that force launches the add wallet dialog. Okay, cool. Hey, we've already checked something off. How about that? Okay, and actually, it looks like I've got quite a bit of code here that has not been committed. Ah, that's right. This is mostly my grid changes for an alternative to the table. And I commented out the links that aren't working. And commented out those forms that aren't being used now. Might be time to clean up some of this index.html as well. Well, so I'm going to do this and say Delete. Add CSS grid. Table replacement. All right. And actually this has some of that in there too, so I'll probably just commit both. Yeah. Okay. So wait, almost forgot. Git commit. All right, and I thought I had committed most of my changes when I ended my last stream, but it looks like quite a few of these. Oh, this is the other part of the grid stuff for the most part. I'm actually going to commit amend that UI thing. Commit staged amend. Sure. Okay. And what do we got? Oh, that's why there's so many of these. I just commented out some console logs because it was getting a little bit noisy. All right, so the dialogues all have reference to the address grid. So I might amend again and attach these to the grid commit there, since that's what most of these are. Yeah, so I'm going to actually take those, stage them, and get commit, staged, amend. And yeah, okay. Now I could do that and say, sure, console log disable whoops, console logs disable some console logs. Okay. Okay. And so this one does have some of the changes for the new grid, but I'm more interested to include or to focus on the changes for the onboarding and launching the dialogue. So that's what this commit is more going to be focused on, even though I guess actually those aren't used anymore. I'm going to delete those before I do this. Okay. I don't actually know if balance form is used anymore. Okay. Oh, balance form is this right here. It's this refresh. And I might actually like to hook that back up. So I'm not going to delete that one quite yet. Okay. Now, let's see. And actually, this has already been committed into the repository, and since I know it's there, I'm going to remove it because it was more just a interesting idea attempt that I had. It's not really paramount to the rest of this stuff functioning. So that should clean it up a bit more. And let's see, we're going to say feet onboarding. No, not onboarding. Maybe I'll call it whip. All right, so work in progress, feet. Whip feels wrong with feet. I don't know. Usually I use it with the fix. Add temporary onboarding to launch. Add wallet. Oop, too long. Okay, and commit. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and push these. Sweet. Well, it's kind of nice to get some stuff out of the way within, I guess, about 30 minutes of starting the stream, so that's pretty nice. All right. Let's see, add temporary onboarding flow. The other thing I'm realizing and thinking about right now is I don't like that the table is showing when it's completely empty. I think I'd prefer a different message. So I'm trying to think where I'd want to add that. Let's see. Should this be async? Why is that one async, but the other is not? Oh, it's not async. Okay, the reason is the only async stuff apparently is happening in either the add submit event handler or the gen submit handler. So it actually does not need an async, but I think there's some asynchronous stuff that happens in the encryption dialog, and that's why. All right. So I'm trying to think of what way I would want to do this. So the grid is, I have nothing applied to the grid. That's interesting. I have it to the sub element. So trying to decide which way I would like to do this. I could just have that set to display none, but that does not feel like a good solution. Wonder what'll happen if it's a flex. I think that changed some stuff actually. Yeah, it changed positioning. So I think this should be a block. Okay. And then so I'm gonna start it with hidden. Well, that didn't work, right? Why didn't that work? Oh, derp. Wait. Oh. Guessing that will work. Yeah, okay. Is because grid appeared after hidden. So if I do that, okay. So now instead of there's an address rows. The other thing I'm realizing is instead of referencing address grid, I'm adding that section. So I think I'd prefer to do just the, let's see. All right, I'm going to find all of these, and instead we're going to do just address grid. So replace all of those. And then in address rows, let's see. I guess we are eliminating the table, so maybe none of this stuff matters. container. Okay, so we're gonna do container, and then instead of grid, we'll do L. Okay. So I wonder. I know. Okay, I just had an idea that I want to try. So we get address rows, the container, and then we get the element. Haha, that did work. Okay. Then I don't need two query selectors. It just tries to find T-body or section and returns whichever one happens. Then this stuff should work exactly the same. And so now we should be able to do relatively easily L dot wait. If keys dot length is equal to 0, container dot class list dot remove hidden. Okay, it does work. So if the key's length is greater than 0, we show the table. So that's why I just shifted things there. So the other thing I'm thinking here is so the private key's length is equal to the 0. We show the modal, and then we should Do I still have the, yeah, d dot query selector. Insert adjacent. Let's do HTML, not element. And before begin. That, okay. So find the address grid. We insert so we're going to insert a new div and let's just give it some simple text and I'll update it later. So it's better than nothing, but we could also do like with H2. Maybe not H2. Let's see if H3 looks a little bit better. Yeah, okay. Looks like you need to add or generate a private key. Okay. Oh. Okay. I will be back in just a couple moments here. Let me bounce this up to 3. Should be more than enough. Cut it short. All right. Alrighty, I am back. Right, let's do the modal improvements. Dialogue, I keep using these interchangeably. I don't know if I should, but they are the dialogue element in HTML, but you then trigger it by saying show modal. So yeah, I don't know. Let's start with add wallet, shall we? Well, let's see. Yeah, let's do add wallet first. Actually, how are these? I want to see how I'm adding them right now. So after begin of figure. Okay, so there's no real container on them. Okay, so I am gonna add this inside of the field set then. I don't know if I want this to be H4. Ooh. All right. Wasn't expecting that. Maybe I should have expected it. So 4 is equal to, I think I have to use an ID for 4, not the name. Yeah. So I would need an ID of private key. It's not called, let's say add wallet. If we're doing that, we probably don't need this. Let's see if this works. There we go. Right. Add existing wallet, recovery phrase, or private key. Generate a new wallet. Oh, maybe I want to. I don't know if this will work the way I'm thinking, but maybe it will. Oh. That's weird. I get why this OR is centered, but I don't know why this H2. That's a little bizarre. What's going on here? So H2. Why is this one getting positioned to left? Oh, dialogue responsive field set, first child, text align left. That's interesting. Why did I do that? Where's the styles? So what if this was form? Nope, that changed nothing. Oh wait, that was the wrong place, that's why. Okay, it still changed nothing, but you know. Right, add wallet modal. So add wallet modal text align left. There we go. That was justified content center. All right. H2 margin rerun auto. Other thing I want is to, let's see, maybe I'll do last field set. So field set form last child and field set last child. We're gonna do a margin bottom of, oh, not margin bottom, I think it's top. Top of what? I'll do 3 rem. Let me try that. Okay. So add existing wallet, generate a new wallet. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Use this option if you would like to generate a brand new recovery phrase and key pairs. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, and let's check out mobile. It's not bad. I was also actually afraid that this would be thrown off, but I think this must be getting positioned at, yeah. Okay, cool. Awesome. That worked better than I was hoping. Sorry, I forgot to switch back to light mode. All right, so I don't know about that though. Okay, and then already have a recovery phrase or with would prefer to use. No, don't end. All right, so add existing key, use this option if you already have a recovery phrase or with. And I might switch this to M. See how it looks like that. With the M, I think it might look better down there. Let's see. So, add existing wallet, recovery phrase, or private key with. Use this option if you already have a recovery phrase. Choose this option if you... Wait, no. Choose this option if you already have a recovery phrase or with you that you prefer to use. Okay, but now that I'm seeing it underneath rather than up top, I'm thinking maybe it would be good with choose this option if you already have a recovery phrase or with. Use this option if you would like to generate a brand new recovery phrase. All right. And if we switch to there, sweet. All right. It's not the best, but certainly far better than what it was. However, this button is full width. This one is not. Is that because of inline? Yeah, it didn't go as I thought it would. So what if we did this? Hmm. Hmm. All right. Add existing wallet, generate a new wallet. Choose this option if you would like to generate a brand new phrase. And all right, still decent. Let's see, dash. I'm gonna drop this from. So I think we would prefer people to use the recovery phrase. Going forward, right now the command line doesn't have support for it as far as I'm aware. So going forward though, this is using dash keys and dash HD, which allows us to use recovery phrases. Okay. It's not perfect, but it is far better than it was. All right, let's see. So it's funny to me how quickly I stack up changes. Okay. I might actually drop that. And actually I'll amend this. Staged amend. Sure, go for it. Okay. Let's see. And I'm amending again already. I should actually have looked at the files or just doing that. All right, this one will be a separate commit though. So this one is going to be fix dialog prove add descriptive text to add wallet dialog. Oh. All right. Okay. So there's one down. Let's go ahead and generate a wallet while we're at it. All right. Should have this as a new wallet. Sure enough. There we go. Okay, let's do encrypt now then, shall we? Hmm. Okay. And ID is equal to encrypt. There we go. All right. So I just had a thought. We could potentially check for the IV, that encrypt IV. So let's just test this right here first. Oh wait, forgot to do this. Nope, that's not right. So is store encrypted? Is that reversed or something? What happened? Console log. Store encrypted. False. Null. Did I like reverse this in my head? What's going on? Isn't the second option the Wait, maybe I did. All right, let's just. Oh, yeah. I did reverse that in my head. Okay, there we go. So, I don't know if I want two uppercase. What is it I want? Where's all alphabetic? I just want the first character. To locale. I thought there was a way to do, I mean, I know there is in title case, I think it's called, like the text transform, oh, capitalize. GS text capitalize. Maybe I'm just so used to doing it in CSS that I can't think of it. I guess that would work. Okay, so then we could do that. We could do enter a passphrase to encrypt the data stored in the wallet or to decrypt the data stored in the wallets. Okay. Okay. Encrypt wallet, enter a passphrase to encrypt the data stored in the wallets. In the button. So submit text and submit all of those. So I mean, I might actually be able to stick this out here. And then also it would make more sense to move this out here. And then I think we can delete this now if I understand what I did wrong. Which I think we could also move this right here. So then this could be title. Okay, so then we have title. Nope. All right. Okay, let's try that. Sweet. Encrypt wallet. Enter a passphrase to encrypt the data stored in the... To encrypt the data. Enter a passphrase to encrypt the... Let's see, to encrypt the... Enter a passphrase to encrypt the wallet data stored in this browser session. Stored in your browser. All right. Enter a passphrase to encrypt the wallet's data stored in your browser. Browser's local storage. All right, so there we go. And if we launch again, that's not right. Do we have to refresh every time? Okay, so there is a reason. To move this, I think, inside of here. So if we do that, and, ooh, that's weird. That, and, All right, let's see. Decrypt wallet, enter a passphrase to decrypt the wallets. The wallet's data stored in your browser's local storage. You wallet. Recovery. Phrase. All right, enter a passphrase to decrypt the wallet recovery phrases stored in your browser's local storage. Okay. Okay. Enter a passphrase to decrypt the wallet. Recovery phrase is stored in your browser's local storage. All right. All right. I think that's good enough for now. Oh, what did I call the last one? Fix dialogue. Add descriptive text to script. Dang it. So we need to improve withdraw, stake, draw, stake, probably unstake. I think the only one that's all right other than that is deposit is decent right now. Withdraw, stake, unstake. Oh, sign up. Okay, so let's see, sign up. Let's see. Sign up. Whoops, not dollar. I'm actually gonna wipe this out. Because it will be easier testing the rest of this stuff without the encryption enabled. All right, so sign up for CrowdNode. I guess we really don't need a label, but we probably need the description stuff. Something like this. Back here. To earn interest by staking your let's see, to stake your dash and begin earning interest, sign up. Oh no, something like that. Okay. Sign up for CrowdNode to stake your Dash and begin earning interest. Read the terms and conditions. Read and accept the terms and conditions. Sign up for CrowdNode. Okay. Sign up for CrowdNode to stake your Dash and begin earning interest. Read and accept the terms and conditions and sign up. Then press sign up. To stake your Dash and begin earning interest. Read and accept the terms and conditions. The CrowdNode terms and conditions. Continue. All right, to stake your Dash and begin earning interest, read and accept the CrowdNode terms and conditions. Then fund your wallet to complete the sign up process. All right. Sign up for CrowdNode to stake your Dash and begin earning interest. Read and accept CrowdNode terms and conditions, then fund your wallet to complete the sign up process. All right. And if I click this, it should. Uh-oh. Okay, bit of a snafu. Sign up apparently does not work if you don't have funds. I believe at some point I had that working, so maybe one of the changes or maybe converting from web components broke that. I'm not sure, but I'll need to fix that. Also want to figure this out real quick. Let's see, focus. Yeah, it's the outline. So let me fix that before I forget. There we go. Should probably also disable this withdraw dialog when you don't have funds. Taking some notes here real quick. My apologies for being so quiet. All right. I might actually, this isn't really important, but it's seeing me, I'm seeing this and it's annoying me. There we go. That's how you talk properly or something like that. I believe UI and oh no, not UI, index. Not label. Title equals suppose I could go into the UI as well and drop this. Although, instead of doing it there, should just say maybe I'll say, no, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not gonna say, I'm gonna say unlocked and locked. Mainly because it's still technically encrypted in your browser. I haven't changed that if it's been encrypted. Okay, I like that better. Now you see that. All right. Okay, so sign up and test like that. Not bad. Although in this instance, I think I would like it if that label was... Let's see, I wonder if I can justify self. Nothing. Line self. Yeah, I did more than I was expecting. This is a flex element. Thought there's a way to override. That's what I thought. Justify would do. Oh wait, I have an idea. So that's almost right. Not perfect, but what I was kind of thinking is I don't know. Let's sign up. Let's see if I can do this. Hey, that worked exactly like I was hoping. Well, almost exactly. Not quite. Yeah, I don't like that overlap. That's kind of weird. I mean, it's looking like it's not overlapping, and then it's going ahead and overlapping. Okay, so I'd see about that. That was still, no, that's okay. Okay. $404, that's funny. Oh, I was pretty close to it too. All right. To stake your Dash and begin earning interest, read and accept the CrowdNode terms and conditions, then fund your wallet to complete the sign-up process. Okay. Cool. Add descriptive text to I assume it's gonna have expired again, so I will drop that there. Okay. And this will be fix okay, so that is, let's see, sign up, withdraw, still needs stuff, so let's jump into that real quick. Withdraw. Hey, Fry.js, how's it going? Doing your day job for now. You can do it and watch Twitch. All right, let's see. I might just copy all of this real quick. So in withdraw, let's paste that. So this isn't sign up, let's say. Withdraw dash. Nice. I love working from home. It's the best. All right. Now we may want the labels this time. Okay. Something like that. Probably one there. Okay. And we're gonna need to add an ID. All right, so draw to address. Let's copy that actually and paste like that. This one is withdraw amount. All right, let's see how this is looking. A little bit better, but not great. I think I also want to do something like that one. Leave this field blank to transfer the entire available balance. All right, let's see. Let me see if it looks better without the P here. Sounded kind of weird, but you know, it's what it is. All right. I kind of want it closer. Yeah, I like that better. Leave this field blank to transfer the entire available balance. And enter the address you would like to send to. Transfer to. be lazy right now and use a line break instead of, whoops, not the right one, that one. There we go. All right, so withdraw dash. This has like a lot of spacing. Oh, that's right. That's not bad. That's definitely better than what it was. I don't know if I... So that's what it's called in the current Dash core wallet. So that's why I added the pay to. It might, yeah, I guess that's okay. All right, so we've got withdraw dash. Let's check it out in mobile. Not bad. We don't have any contacts or anything, but that's not exactly in the scope of this project, so. I don't think you're supposed to end a sentence like that. Transfer to period. What's the proper way to end a sentence? Enter the address you would like to... I don't know. Enter the address you would like to transfer to. You would like to transfer dash to. I don't know. These are definitely not like set in stone terminology here, so I'll probably be updating this at some point. All right, withdraw dash pay to address. Enter the address you would like to. Wait, enter the address you would like to dash. You would like to transfer. You would like to transfer dash to. Is that right? I think that's right. Enter the address you would like to transfer dash to. Leave this field blank to transfer the entire amount available. Right, leave this field blank to transfer the entire available balance. Okay. I'm gonna chalk this up to done. Commit this code. See, git commit. This one is add. Oh wait, that's not the right commit message. That's the one I wanted. So fix dialog, add descriptive text to withdraw. All right. And stake and unstake, but we need to get through the sign up process first. So I think it's time to send some dash to this. Although maybe it would be better to fix this right now. Yeah, let's get this fixed. So find QR. No. What was I using? believe I have a function was done main. Not anymore, it ain't. Oh, utils maybe. Utils? No, it's not utils. Must be in UI. Although, oh, the deposit button triggers it, that's for sure. So let's look in there. Oh, guess that's not being used. Request funds. All right, so let's jump back to sign up. Well, I guess it has a request funds, and that looked like it was, yeah, it's trying to do that. Ah, what went haywire? It is async. So has or request funds should have been triggered, but clearly it wasn't. Oh. Let's see if that does it. Okay, so let's give this a test, shall we? Actually, let me do a refresh here first. Okay, so stake, sign up, copy that. I'm gonna drop that in here. And we need to send, I'm gonna send a bit more than what I normally do, so let's do 5. And okay. Oh wait, I'm almost forgetting something. Let's see. All right. So send. And then right, send. It should update. Uh-oh. That updated, but it didn't close that. That's interesting. So now I need to, I think, find out why that didn't close. As or request. No, remove that. All right, so has or request. Should have closed. Ooh, did it add it twice maybe? Maybe there was a glitch and it got added twice. I'll have to check that out again. We're looking for here. So has or request, funds needed, setup QR, funding modal, wait for about address if QR dialog handle set pass null. Did it? Let's check the network tab, shall we? Yeah, definitely got a response, but then it didn't log the response. Sign up modal, handle close, stored keys. Did I happen to clear it? No, I don't think I cleared it. Maybe I did. I don't know. All right, well, let's close because that should be funded. Yeah, we've got a balance now. All right, there's a glitch there. Let's see if this works without that now. Uh-oh. Oh, that's right. Derp. There's another glitch. I get it. So our mistake was right here. So if we need the is encrypted thing, something like this. Okay. So is decrypted. And let's jump back here. Need something like this. I think this should work. So instead of this, we're gonna wrap it. Let's do new line. All right, so state passphrase or is decrypted. All right, let's see if this works. That didn't work. Okay, so what I need to do is pass that along from the sign up button. So okay, so that should give us phrase or with. Let's try again. As or request funds, sign up priv key, cannot read properties of length, state passphrase. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, let's try again. There we go. All right, I will probably have to wrap up in the next hour here. Might be able to push that a little bit if I'm really close to finishing something, but this kind of sucks because it takes so long. I think it would be nice if I should disable that too. Ooh, that's freaking out quite a bit. It's interesting. So sign up form, field set. So if I do okay. Man, it takes so long for each of these. Sweet. Wait, what? Sign up for CrowdNode. I don't think it should have closed yet, should it? There's actually, let me do both of these things. So I wanted to take something like this and come here and say, this process may take a while. Please be patient. Yeah, it looks kind of like it exited out early. So I saw sign up for CrowdNode, but it should have gone down here. Oh! So what did sign up for CrowdNode? What did this say? So let's do if cn sign up dot say satoshis is greater than 0, or that, I think will do it. So if we've got the sign up in satoshis, or cn status sign up is greater than 0, this will actually work out decently to test, actually. Okay, so we can refresh. Although that's interesting. We should probably switch this first, though. So if either of those or and so we need status sign up accept complete is equal to that. Oh, I just realized that maybe it would make most sense to return the TXID. So sign up TXID, accept TXID. Where's the status? Oh, did we not log the status? Oh. Okay, let's try this out. So it should already have the sign up completed, but it shouldn't have the accept terms completed. So aha, and that time it disabled that. That's good. Boom, there we go. Okay. So now we can get to these ones. Sweet. All right, so stake. Let's copy that. We're going to go into stake here and paste there. We might also want a label for this one. Let's do this. Stake. No, mistake. All right, deposit. Stake. And so stake in CrowdNode. Enter the amount you wish to stake. Okay. Stake in CrowdNode. Enter the amount you wish to stake. You know, I might actually... Where was that? I want something like that. And I'm being lazy. Don't judge me. Instead of just typing it again. This was literally more work than typing it. I should have just typed it and not been lazy. All right, so stake in CrowdNode, enter the amount you wish to stake. And let's take a look here. All right, it's looking decent. Let's go ahead and submit it while we're at it. So I have 0.003, so let's just try 0.001. We might need to do more than that. Yeah, wait, what? 141? Oh, derp. That's annoying. Okay, what I need to do is find all of these and replace with this, I think. Okay, that should fix that issue from happening again. All right, let's refresh and try this again. All right, stake and stake. There we go. Oh, we need to disable some form fields. So, darn it, and it's gone. Okay, that should work. We can test it again though. So 0.001 stake. I guess we could disable all field sets. I don't know. That's probably okay for now, but all right. So we got that staked. Oh man. Only about half an hour left before I need to wrap up. Okay. I'm gonna go to unstake though real quick. And that stuff, I think it would go right. Oh, hey, look at that. This one actually had it. But I'm gonna do it that way this time. Okay. And I might just go ahead and change this one too. So all field sets. And what's next? We need to actually test it. All right, unstake. We need to update the information first. So let's see. I think we're gonna want something like that. Oh, wait. Of course, this time I actually do want to copy this entire thing because it will not work in the inline one. So we want something like this. And need to delete that. I don't know if that'll work. I think it's not going to work, but I'll move it later if I need to. And then this one would be, let's target it for percent. Unstake percent. All right. And that would be ID is equal to unstake percent. All right. Yeah, that certainly didn't work. Let's see if it looks okay right under the field set. See, I think I would like it down here underneath it, but I'm gonna eventually find a better name for this, but I know exactly what it means. So this is what it's gonna be for now. What are we doing? Mistake. This one. So dialogue responsive. Find dialogue. Responsive. Field set. Or just a field set one. Padding bottom 0. Let's try that, shall we? It's a little bit better. Let's also check it in here. Ooh, I don't like that. Enter not the amount, that's right. Ooh, that could be bad. Notepad, let's do notepad top. Well, oh, that's interesting. I guess I could also do, that was on the field set, right? Yeah. Okay, so no margin. Margin. Okay. So now if I come in to, this is for unstake actually. Let's get that updated before I forget. Unstake from CrowdNode. Percent to unstake. Class is equal to no margin bottom. No margin bottom. And I might want this to be no margin. No pad top. Because I want to see if I like it better like that. Okay. Not really. But maybe I'll still want it no padding top. Let's see. Oh, that's weird. So the first child thing is overriding. Oh, I know why. Okay. I'm gonna be naughty. I just want those to take precedence no matter what if they're applied. Okay, that looks a little bit better on desktop. Let's check mobile. It's not great, but it's okay. I wonder, I don't know if I should do this, but I want to try this because that worked decently. Not amazing, but decently. And of course, there's one more thing in the styles. And since I'm doing it anyways, I might as well do it for margin. Don't know if I'll use it right now, but I might need it. All right, let's refresh again. And on stake, that looks a little bit better. Oh wait, oh, I forgot to add it actually. So it doesn't look any better. I saw what I wanted to. All right, you're just gonna be notepad and refresh. There we go. Okay, and let's check it out. Desktop. Yeah. Oh, and I need to change this. Enter the percentage you wish to unstake. Enter the percentage you wish to unstake. Yeah, unstake from CrowdNode, percent to unstake. Maybe I've got this said so many times. I think just saying percent should be fine here. Enter the percentage you wish to unstake. Unstake from CrowdNode. All right. Let's go ahead and test it out finally. It's disabled. No. I don't like the spacing on all of this stuff, but all right. Oh shoot, and it did that thing again where it didn't refresh, but it did unstake. So okay, I think that is the stake and unstake, and what do we got? All right. Come on. That's the one we just did. Stake we also just did. Sign up. Okay, so this is gonna be, let's see, fix. It's not a dialogue. I think it's gonna be passphrase defined issues. Right. And then let's see. Oh wait, that might actually work that time. So I just committed recently dialog, add descriptive text to sign up. And add descriptive text to stake. And last but not least, add descriptive text to unstake. Okay. Checked those off. I think that wraps up the refactor of those dialogues. Oh. Okay. All right, let's try to I think I want to try moving or duplicating the current grid on the staking page. So we're going to go into the HTML here and we're going to copy this-ish. All right, yeah. Might be time to clean this up. And we're going to find staking. Yeah, let's get rid of that. And I'll clean this up here since, well, I'm going to leave that for now. And we've got, let's see, staking, and this one won't be address grid, it'll be staking grid. Okay. And we will have public address. I think we're gonna drop those three. And I'm going to add a staking -grid class here. Then I'm going to come up here and add a wallet. Okay. If we go to staking, that's not set up yet. So we need to go into main here. And similar to wallet, we need page, stake, and private keys length is greater than 0. This one is going to be, I think, staking grid. All right. And what else? This should at least start it loading. But I'm realizing that I might need a different function for get address rows. So UI, let's see. Oh, pretty good. I think I've got enough to demo on. It's not perfect yet. There's still more work to be done, but I think there's enough here to show it off, hopefully. I guess probably even enough to merge into master so it gets released and people can play with it. It should have a giant, you know, use at your own risk warning though. Until we've legit tested it. I don't know if we want to release the URL until like we've had some testing done by other than just me. And I still I haven't gotten to the icons, so yeah, hopefully nobody has issues with the emojis I'm using. Oh shoot, we're coming up on the time I need to end. Well, I was hoping to get this staking page done, but now I'm thinking it might not get done yet. Loaded better than I was expecting there. So I think I have it ready so that I can run through everything from an empty wallet. So initial page load asks you to add a recovery phrase or generate a new wallet. You can generate that, you can deposit funds, you can sign up for CrowdNode once you've deposited funds. Although you can also click sign up and it should request funds, but I ran into a bug there that I might just deposit first to make sure it goes smoothly. Then you can withdraw and stake and unstake. So I think that should cover hopefully 5 minutes at least. Yeah. Not ready for public use until tested. Fully agree with that. Basically, anyone using this should know that, like, do not transfer. The other reason I don't want people using this yet is the only way to get your recovery keys right now is through DevTools, essentially. I'm not showing them, so I don't have the interface built to be like, hey, you generated a new wallet, back up your key. Otherwise, you're going to be really sad. So we need to get some of that stuff in there, but it's doing pretty good so far. I wanted to switch out the staking to this other page though. Let's see. I'm going to just copy it right now because I think that will let me get it done, and then I will find a better, more reusable way of doing this. So let's say get stake rows, and that's going to be unstake stake crowd node. We can drop those. We can drop that. Thanks. Yeah, I'll be wrapping up probably in the next 25 minutes here. Okay, so deposit, withdraw. Those aren't needed here. I think all of that's needed. Stake, sign up. Okay, that should actually, oh, we just need to implement it. Main. And stake. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, derp. Of course, it's not defined. I haven't added it. All right. Okay, so this is where I need to modify here. So let's do this. Wallet grid, I think. Wait, no. Not on article. There. Wallet grid, and this would be stake grid or staking grid. What did I call it? Wallet grid. Staking grid. Alright, staking grid. They might actually be able to share the same one because... yeah, they might be able to. Let me see. Can I just copy that? So... Oh no, they'll need different ones for now unless I refactor a little more. So let's see. That's the right one for that. That should be right for staking. Gonna need to, maybe we won't. Maybe this should be fine. So is that right? And what else? Let's see. Okay, that worked. Let's go back to UI and modify this real quick. So we do not need get CrowdNode status for address anymore. We don't need the balance. We do need address and deposit withdraw. Okay. And I think we can drop all those. All right. Ooh. Oh, derp. Okay. So, did I get everything updated before I did this? I think I did. Mostly in case I need to stash these changes or something. I don't think I'll need to, but you never know. Alright, I don't like seeing that red. Let's see this. Okay, clear, let's say deposit. That looks like it's still working. Withdraw. We haven't tested that recently. Let's go to staking. That's popping up at least. Okay. That's slightly problematic. Maybe we need both balances so that you can, it might make it easier to see like how much you have available to stake. Let me do that. I don't think you need it here, but for this one, I think it would be good to have that. And UI, all right, let's see if that works. CSS. Okay. So staking, what we want to do is probably double this. Okay. Let's see how it pairs down. It's okay, I think. That's where it goes haywire. Let's see. So 3 rem, 1 FR, 1 FR. That doesn't seem right. Oh, I guess that actually is okay. The address gets cut off a little bit, but I can... that's okay to me, but let's see. Where are we? Grid. Whoops. And let's check out. Ooh, that's not good. Well, I guess it's not the worst thing. That kind of works. Okay, I'm okay with that. What I was going to say is, it is kind of... So I have the menu attached up there. Let's see. Do I have anything showing in the onboarding? So I had disabled this earlier. Need to start wrapping up here. What am I trying to think of? That. Whoops. So let's comment that out for now. Then in mobile, that gives us our mobile menu. So you can actually get between the pages. And then if we come out of mobile, it's just a blank screen. See, document, document dot cannot recall how to do this. I'm all stressing out right now. There we go. All right, this is going to be my hack fix for now. Just so it gets working. All right, let's cut that, and we want something like this. So remove that. And so if current page, let's copy it first, is onboard and window screen width is greater than, I think the menu turns on at that 6 something. Oh wait, CSS, there we go. 650. All right, so let's see. 650. Uh-oh. So not quite. Did I not refresh maybe? Thought I refreshed. Oh, that's not right. Not screen width. Document width. Gosh darn it. VS Tools, not VS Tools, VS Code. Do you have to do document body or? Let's try that. I think it'll be better than nothing right now. Okay. But now, if you click that, all right, I'm okay with that. It's not perfect, but it can be improved on. Well, I think I'm going to disable this header for now because it's not working. So let's come in here. Haven't had time to update this yet, so... Oop, that didn't go right. Ah. And we gotta disable that function I left around. This one, I believe. Okay. Not perfect, but it's decent. And it can still be improved upon, so close some windows out here. Okay. Let's generate another address or a wallet. Oh, that, dang it. That's a plot thickens moment. Where is this? What am I thinking of? So I'm thinking of that. Let's find all of them. So that's the one in Maine. Staking grid, sort. And stake rows. Okay. Encrypted stored keys. This is, I think, the last thing I'm going to do in this stream is get this updating. It would be better to detect the page they're on. But I don't have time to do that right now. right. Okay. Get stake rows. Stored keys. Get stake rows. That don't look right. There we go. Stored keys, address, whatever. Okay. All right, let me run through one more time. So that's fine there. I'm making sure their selectors are using the same ones. That's why I'm running through it, is I didn't make sure that was the case for the first few. And then it switched, so okay. I think we're good. I was watching after these, so. All right, let's refresh. And I guess I will go back to staking. And I'm going to generate a new address again. There we go. So it updated that time. And this one is also updated. Cool. Okay. Well, let's get this code committed, and then I think I'm done for a little bit. So I think all of this is going to get committed, and this is going to be a git commit. Let's say feet, grid, add grid to staking page. All right, and let's push that. All right. Whew. Yeah, all right. So I'm gonna wrap up here for now. So thanks everyone for tuning in. Please consider liking, subscribing, sharing, following, commenting, all that stuff. It helps. It's appreciated. So yeah, and you can catch me maybe later today or maybe tomorrow at some point. So have a good one.